but I want to touch on the giving part, because I think it takes a lot of performers and artists a long time to realize when you're on stage, it's not really about you on stage. It's about you. It's about the audience. It's the giving. Yeah. And I think, we all get caught up in ourselves like, oh my gosh, like how am I playing? How do I look? How do I sound? It's about me. It's about me. It's about me. But you realize from being on the street that it's not about me.
I mean, right now, no one's here for us.
They're here
sincerely.
Right.
Everyone's here because they want to do their thing. And they're hoping that hopefully something I say or you say will help them along their journey. And I'm going to try my hardest to give you something.
Yeah.
I want this thing to end where like I've given you way more than hopefully you've given me. In every interaction, that's how you create momentum.
So when you were on the street and you're getting this feedback in real time, and it's like, but also you did it for 4 years. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of people here who have done those grind money gigs. You paid your rent doing this.
Yeah.
We've all played the bar gigs. We've done the street thing. I did the street thing. It's just, it can be soul crushing.
Yeah.
Like, what do you say to these artists that are doing these gigs where nobody's paying attention? Because I'm sure there were times on the street where you realized real quick, like, yep, no one's caring about me. No one's listening. No one, until you play Sunday morning. But like, what kept you going? And what made you just kind of stay the course and be like, no, I believe in this enough that I need to keep going? And for artists that are still like grinding it out and they're just, it can be discouraging. What do you kind of say to them and say that you said to you?
I think that this is like a Tony Robbins quote. He says, you overestimate what you can do in a year and you underestimate what you can do in a decade, which is really true. And I think that if you're in one of those soul-crushing gigs and you're listening to this podcast, what you really need to be focused on is, are you pushing yourself every day? And it's like one of those annoying things to hear people say, but the outcome shouldn't be as important as like, do you show up every day? Me and my wife had a thing we say, like, did you slay the dragon today? Did you try?
Yeah.
Did you go after it? Because that's the undeniable thing that will, now that I've been in LA for 15 years, holy shit, I have a lot of friends in my circle, you included, who just wouldn't stop every day, wake up, go as hard as they can in a direction. And that is more important to me than talent, honestly. Because you wake up and you go, and now you can't steer something that's not moving. So you show up, you go as hard as you can that day, you end the night, you go to sleep, you wake up, you do it again.